This week, I want to introduce you guys to a new aerial tool that I've literally just stumbled across in like the last 24 hours. This aerial tool is called Vexcel. So let's jump behind the computer and let me show you what I've discovered so far. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to go to Google and type in Vexcel. Now the link you want is actually down here. It's ANZ Viewer, etc., etc. Now, when you click on that link, you're going to be prompted to sign up for an account. Obviously, read the terms and conditions yourself, and if you're happy to do so, go through the sign up process. Now, once you log in, there's three key things that I've kind of discovered so far, and I do really want to stress I've been playing around with this for less than 24 hours, so I'm sure there is so much more to this tool that I just haven't discovered yet. But the first thing is the date range of aerial photos. So we are forever hunting through like Queensland Globe, Q Imagery, Google Earth Pro, all of those sites, trying to find different aerial photos to be able to get a slightly better shot. A shot that's at a different time of year that doesn't have the green tree cover hiding over that rear extension we're trying to get a view line of, etc., etc. So yeah, this is another aerial tool to add to the toolbox to help with that process. So as you'll see across here, we've got 2024, 2023, 2021, 2020. So not exactly old aerial photos, but a nice little extra range to throw into your toolbox, like I said. Now, this is where the real magic comes in. If you come down the bottom here, what you'll see is this little 3D function. Boom! Oh, I am forever playing around in Google's Street View timeline feature, trying to get a better angle down the side of a building to see, is a window there, or is it not there? What type of window is it? Or to try and get around some trees to be able to see is the front veranda enclosed and all of that sort of stuff. So when I discovered this, I was like, damn, this is going to make my life so much easier. So you can zoom in and you can see windows and features at the side of the house. And you can pan around to a different angle. So at the moment we were on the southern side, now we're around to the eastern side. You can pan around. Let's come around to the west. So you can get all these different angles. It's awesome. Now the last thing I want to show you guys is a bit of a novelty thing here. So if you come over here to this before and after feature down on the left-hand side, what you can do is select two different time periods and then just move this bar across. Oh, look at that, the Star Casino. Work under construction, work no longer under construction. Well, that was kind of cool. Haven't quite worked out how that's going to help me day to day within the business, but it's still a cool feature. Now, as I said in the beginning, and as I keep saying, I've only just started playing around with this thing. So if you guys do decide to sign up yourself and start playing around, I would love it if you could share any tips, tricks, extra features that you uncover with us in the comments so that we can all benefit. Okay, as I always like to say, until next time, thanks for watching.
For all you red tape lovers out there, I have one thing to say. Well, no, actually, I've got three. Number one, the advice provided in these videos is general in nature. It's not site-specific. You would be a silly Billy to go and make financial decisions based on this advice without first checking with the town planner. Don't be a silly Billy. Number two, Brisbane town planning is in no way linked to Brisbane City Council. The views expressed in these videos are my own, not council's. So if you don't like them, blame me, not council. Number three, what was my number three? Oh yeah, the views expressed in these videos are accurate at the time of recording. If you're watching this video back 10 years from now, the views may not be so accurate. That's all. Bye.